Hello everyone. In today's video, this is my second tutorial. Please just forgive me because I'm still nervous doing this. The YouTube stuff I'm trying to learn as I go. So today I'm going to do a second tutorial on cleaning a grungy sink. Just dirty right now. Okay, so let me set this up. Forgive me. I'm not an expert at this yet. Let's see, the sink is pretty dirty. I'm still here, just bear with me. So what I like to do is take a cup of white pickling vinegar and a tablespoon of Dawn dish soap. Okay, I got a little bit made up in my spray bottle right now. And I'm going to spray it here. Spray it all around. I should put it back here so you can kind of see here. Sorry, I apologize for the shaky video, okay? I'm just still learning how to do this as I'm doing it by myself. Anyways, taking the vinegar here. 1 cup of vinegar, white pickling vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dawn dish soap, putting it in the spray bottle. It really does work. Sit there for a little bit. Some people don't like the smell of vinegar, but it's actually very, very good how it does it. Let that sit on there a little bit, okay? Let it sit. And then we're going to scrub this down. Might have to do it again. Might have to do it a second time. Make the sink look nice and clean and disinfected. Cheap, cost-effective way to do it. Right? Let's face it, we're all trying to do what we gotta do. Yeah, and you know, thank you very much for watching the video. I appreciate it. I really do. Give her a little spray more. Wipe this handle down here, the faucet. First thing I'm going to wipe the faucet here with a cloth. Some of the grungy grime off. Let's face it, we're all busy doing stuff, trying to survive, and it's, you know, try to keep this clean here. You can see all the grime coming off. Look at that. Nasty. Again, I'm just using white pickling vinegar, 1 cup of white pickling vinegar, and a tablespoon of Dawn dish soap. Spray it a little more here. See how it's starting to get cleaner. hot. It really does shine it too. The vinegar really shines that. Just take some time and effort. I'm getting it done. Hopefully I'm not driving you or boring you with this. Just trying to show you a way to clean a sink and yeah. It's already a lot cleaner. Oh, it's so hot. Oh. Just using quite a bit because, you know, it's pretty dirty. See, I'm scrubbing her up, giving her a scrub. A bit of elbow grease. Pretty much clean now. Get a scrubby pad. That would probably work better than this rag. Yep, probably would. Like I say, you gotta use a bit of elbow grease. Sorry, forgive me for a moment. I'll be right back. Gotta get a pair of rubber gloves. Alright, I'm back now. Just had to get a pair of rubber gloves. Take a little more here. This sink was pretty bad now. Going the last few days. Anyways, I hope you like this video. If you want to make a comment, subscribe, like. Tell me what you think. I cleaned it there. It's a lot shinier, as you can see. A a lot shinier. Just with 1 cup of pure white pickling vinegar and a tablespoon of Dawn dish soap. Does wonders. I hope you enjoyed the video and it helped you. Thank you. Take what you like, and if you don't like any part of it, throw it away. The parts that you like of it, hopefully it helps you. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Thanks for watching the video. See you later.